have a recipe that's gonna make you look at this lonely fruit in a whole different way. And it might make you fall in love with beet. Can't wait, let's get into it. So I have my beets, I'm gonna dice it up super fine. I'm gonna do the same thing with the tomatoes or onions and garlic. Put everything in heaps on a plate and then we get to cooking. So we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons of coconut or vegetable oil. We're just gonna keep stirring until it caramelizes. Really give that characteristic. And then you just pour everything in like that. Some water to cover, and we're gonna just let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the beetroot like softer and all the tomatoes disappeared. Guys, wow.